You can also call and leave messages. We call it the Hoodie Hotline. You can call during the show, and people do that from all over the country, like this one from Pennsylvania. Jake, you're on the special live feed of the Under the Hood show. Jake, what can we do for you?
I just wanted to give you guys a shout-out and some credit on your car dash part people. Recently had an experience where my wife's family is from Europe, and they were here visiting, and one of their good friends has a Dodge pickup truck, which is not common in Europe. They needed a back window and asked us if we could help them find a back window. I logged on to Car Dash Part. Turns out there was one 4 miles from my house at a recycling facility that I didn't even know existed because it's a little bit on the smaller side. Sent my wife and her father over to pick it up. They were absolute professionals. They had exactly what they said they had. And my wife came home and she said, I'm going to offend some people here. She said, that's not like any junkyard I've ever been to.
Well, that's awesome.
That's because they are car recyclers. So
that's awesome.
I'm glad you guys have them as a sponsor, because if I didn't hear about it through your show, I never would have found it. And it opened the door to a ton of parts at very reasonable prices.
Well, awesome. Thanks for the call.
Thanks, Jake. Thanks very much for the call.
We appreciate that.